This is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and the priority today in the continued process of winterization and getting the boat ready for next year is to continue with the outdrives. We need to sand them, blow them off, clean them with acetone, and I want to do the first coat of primer. Mary, you're doing a great job.
Oh, thanks, honey.
Now, in terms of changing out the zincs, which I guess are not technically zincs, this is this port side trim tabs. I changed these out last year. These are the clamshell kind, and they appear to be okay. But I think I'm going to change them out anyway. They're not that expensive. But I noticed here, this one on the back of the boat is pretty bad, actually. It's doing its job. It's getting eaten away. So I'm going to replace that again. See, it's cutting away. Also, we've got some. That's a significant little chunk here out of the boat. We got some spots that really are not good. So to get this out, you can see it doesn't look very good here. That's an Allen wrench. I don't know what size. I should look at my video from last year. So that's a 1/4 inch. They're really not terrible, but you can see they're being eaten away. Doing their job. I'll get new ones. Now, last year when I did this process and I actually put out a video, I had 3 steps to this. I had primer, I had paint, and then I used a clear coat on top of the paint. And that was a mistake, because the clear coat actually makes the ablative properties of the paint. It gets rid of it, and the paint itself is supposed to over time wear off, because it keeps the barnacles off by doing so. So it's supposed to over time kind of shed so the barnacles don't stick. So this year when we pulled the boat out, we had a lot more growth than we had the previous year because of the mistake that I made. So can leave that step off, which is helpful. I'll be sanding, and then we'll use the vacuum cleaner. We'll use the vacuum to blow all the debris off. Then I'll get some acetone out and wipe them down. Then I'll have to tape up some newspaper and just try to do 1 coat today on each of the drives. So let's get to it. All right, so to do this job, I've got sandpaper and a little handle holder there that will save me. After I'm done with the sandpaper, we use the shop vac to blow the excess dust off. I've got newspaper and tape that I'll tape up before I end up using the primer, acetone, and a couple rags I'll use to clean off the outdrives. I'm going to use primer, just 1 can a piece like I did last year on each of the outdrives. Got my gloves. I do have a mask as well in the car. And then this year when I get to painting, I have 3 cans of paint instead of just 2. So use one can and a half on each. And a bucket to sit my butt on. raised those drives a little bit so I could get the oil out. So I'm going to lower them a little bit now before taping and priming. I don't know why it's gray this year. I guess I picked the wrong color. All right, so I gotta hustle back home because I have other stuff to do. Yeah, good, successful day. You shouldn't drive and do videos at the same time, by the way. This is Jeff with Eternity Shore. Like, subscribe if you want. Leave me your comments. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Ciao.